Hey there, welcome to Tuesday What I Ate Today. This is all my macros and all the food that I ate today, so watch the video to see what it looked like. Hello, we're gonna get stuff ready for tomorrow. So I'm gonna get everything scooted back. All right, I'm gonna take a cabbage salad with me tomorrow for lunch. So we'll do 150 grams of cabbage. Funny story. You know, I was saying that I've been tooting a lot. Well, I've been tooting a lot. Cabbage. I forgot about that. That cabbage makes you toot. So now I know why I've been tooting since Thanksgiving. Because I got this head of cabbage and I've been going to town. I'm going to put a little bit of, since this is going to be my new thing, the Everything Bagel seasoning. I'll put a little in the middle and a little on top. And then this one's poppy seed and honey mustard. So it's Skinny Girl mixed with Walden Farms. I don't have to worry about picking up half of it because I'm going to put a lid on it. And then tomorrow, it'll get all shooken up. So I'll be able to do this in my lunchbox tomorrow. So, I'm taking my cabbage salad tomorrow. And I'm taking my egg muffin tomorrow. This is working really well. And then let's make sure, and some pork steak. So that is what I'm going to take tomorrow. Actually, I don't need a spoon. I just need a fork. And then I use the work plastic forks for this. So I just need a fork tomorrow. But I'll take a spoon just in case since my tongue ain't long enough to get to the bottom of my salad thing, I may need that spoon to go instead of going. So, now, everything is ready for tomorrow. And this morning I did just use the cold, I just drank my coffee cold. And then I got one more of the already made up coffee, the one with the water already in it. And then I'll be shifting over to the powder coffee. So tomorrow will be the last one of the one that already has water. See you in the morning. Good morning. I've got on one of my shirts from the thrift store. Hang on, I'll show you. And I'm wearing the jeans that I got from the thrift store too. These are These are the Lee Riders is the brand. Anyway, I'm drinking my coffee. And it's like 7:30. Not quite 7:30, so I'm not going to eat breakfast yet. I'm going to hold off just a little longer. Anyway, I'll show you that when I do. Hey, that's what I'm eating for breakfast. It's my muffin. I just cut it all up and it's microwaved in. Okay, it's lunchtime. I've got my pork steaks, which I packed up last night. And I have my cabbage. Shake it up a little bit. Sorry, I'm still trying to remember where to look. I don't want y'all to think I'm like looking at something else. So I got my cabbage with the dressing on it. So that's what I'm having. I'm going to lick my lid because that's just what I do. So, okay, bye. My pork steak, there's not enough salt on it.
Good at tuning things out.
That's good. I'm putting some salt in here. It's flavor, but it's kind of bland, so I didn't put enough salt on it whenever I was cooking them. So now let's see if that's better. Oh, come here, fella. Yeah, I just need more salt. Okay, bye. Supper tonight. We've got our 73% ground beef. Well, After seeing all my everything bagel seasoning containers, I feel like I should be using this every single day, so I could, use some of them up. So I'm gonna use a little everything bagel seasoning in here. I'm going to use a little bit of adobo seasoning. I'm going to use a little bit of garlic and herb seasoning. Oh, some Slap Your Mama. I haven't used that in a long time. Let's use a little bit of Slap Your Mama. And I'm going to put in some garlic. So this is the dehydrated garlic. So let me stir that up and see what we think. Also, we're going to be having jicama. Let's see. This is another one of those sleep shirts that I got. Look how short this thing is. So there's the top of my britches. If you have been big for very long, you know that you buy a shirt and they probably start off here. And then as it stretches out, it goes shorter, shorter, shorter. That's the way this shirt feels like. I don't think this was designed to be a crop top. I could be wrong. But anyway, I was cracking up when I put it on. I'm like, something tells me that this shirt was not designed to be this short. Now, maybe so, but it's White Stag, which is Walmart brand, so I don't know. I've been out of touch for what's in style for years, so maybe that's the way it was made. Hang on, let's see. Oh, yeah. That don't need nothing else. Nothing else. And we're also having, that's a J, so we're having jicama. I think this might be my last jicama. I could be lying, but I think it is. And this one is the roasted jicama. I'm going to look. Let's look and see if we have any more jicama. Okay, so no, tomorrow we're taking rutabaga with me for lunch. I'm going to take rutabaga. I'm going to have my case for my coworkers try rutabaga and see what they think of it. So this is the end of the jicama. And something else I did, so since I'd made 12 eggs, the egg muffins, what I did this time is I counted out. I've got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday in there, so I just added Saturday's meal. And so I'm not putting an egg muffin there. So that way on Saturday and Sunday, I can make my own eggs in the skillet instead of eating a muffin. I mean, the muffin's a lot easier, but since I only made 12, that would be good for me to eat those, Monday through Friday. And then on the weekends, I can make my own eggs in a skillet. So that's what I did there. And yeah, that's what I got going on. So, okay, don't forget to log. We are going to log at least until December 19th. I could have pushed it just a little further, but I know a lot of people start traveling and people start getting together with family before Christmas and stuff. So this way it kind of allows us a little time to kind of, a little cushion for those who are getting together with family. My family usually comes around the 26th. One sister comes in a little early. And the other one, her and her daughters and husband, they all come in on the 26th. So, yeah. So, mine's usually going to be in that time frame. And you know what I do? I take these and I bring them along to my mom's house. And that's what I do. They're used to it. They don't care. And they do try. They're like, well, now, what if we made this? Now, if we made taco meat, could you eat the taco meat? Sure. If we made a pot roast, what are you going to put on it? Well, we're going to have this. I'll bring my ground beef. Or one time they were doing like a baked chicken, I think. I'm like, sure, I can have that. So, and a lot of times, like, my sister tends to do the cooking when they come to town. She's kind of always done the cooking. She's got 2 boys, and they've always been big eaters. So, Mom is not a big eater cooker. So she's, it's just her, and even with her dad, she didn't make a whole lot. So that sister's used to the big meals that she would make for her family. So she would come into town, and every time she comes to town, she kind of takes over the kitchen. And Mom, I always remind Mom, back out. Just let her do it and let her handle it. And so anyway, I'm always the mediator between those two. Sorry, Mom. But anyway, so that sister, she's always asking, now, can you have this and can you have that? And I'll be like, no, but don't worry about it. You do what you want to do. And sometimes she'll steam some vegetables for me to eat, and I'll bring my ground beef. So yeah, so that's usually kind of how our Christmas time works, because my mom lives about 10 miles away from me. And so a lot of times I'll come home, feed the dogs, let them out, and then go over to Mom's house. And then I'll eat with them. I'll eat supper with them. So that's kind of how that usually works. And like I said, there's plenty of times where I take this, and but this year for the actual Christmas meal, I'm going to make sure I cook some rutabaga and turnips and even jicama. I'm gonna roast all three and let them taste all the three different things. So that way they can see. Maybe I might open their eyes to try something new. Okay, bye.